So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running. Now you're going to click on log on. Make sure you have local system account selected and then click on OK. Now you're going to click on D on your keyboard. You're going to find DCOM server process launcher. Double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running and then click on OK. And then once you've done that, now you want to click on R on your keyboard. You want to find remote procedure call. This one right here. There's going to be two of them. Go for the first one, remote procedure call. Double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic. Click on start, make it running, and then click on OK. Now you're going to click on W again. Now you're going to do the same thing for Windows Defender Firewall. Double click on it. Startup type automatic. Click on start, which will make it running. Click on OK. And now for the last one, you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Update. Double click on it. Startup type automatic. Service status running. So click on start and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on additional troubleshooters. And then you're going to find Windows Update. Click on it and then click on run the troubleshooter. You just want to go through this, wait for it to load. Once it's been fully completed, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.